Hello. In this video, we will see how can we create an automation for Shopify abandoned cart recovery. So first, go to settings, select apps and sales channels, click on develop apps. Here click on create an app, enter app name. So for example, trial and then click on create app. Click on configure admin API scopes. Here search ABA. Under orders, select read orders. And now save this and click on install app. Install. Click on reveal token once. Now let's go to automation builder. Here to add trigger, search Shopify. Select Shopify abandoned cart. Abandoned cart. Create new authentication. Give a label here. For example, Shopify. Enter Shopify domain. Here the Shopify domain is this. Copy and then enter access token, which is this. Add new authentication. Select authentication from the drop down. Give a webhook title. Select start date and click on generate hook. Now a sample data is already provided here. So this is the sample data that we have. Simply click on save. Now in the next block, we will attach a template. So I have already created a template here, which is hi name. You left some items in your cart. We wanted to make sure you had the chance to get what you need. Shop now, and here we will send them the checkout URL. So variable 1 is name and variable 2 is checkout URL. Add another block. Here click on CRM. Send template message. Select channel. Select template. Enter WhatsApp number. So you can find this under shipping address. Now as you can see, the number here has plus. So we will use parse function here. Select this. Click on parse number. Now in between this bracket, we will select the phone number from here. Body variable 1 will be name, which is again under shipping address. So here we have first name. And body variable 2 will be checkout URL. Abandoned checkout URL. We will save this, save our workflow and enable it. Thank you.